This video is for class 6. We are continuing chapter 2, the cell. So we will start from parts of a typical cell, that is from page number 28. As we can see that in a cell, this is a structure of a cell. There are main two divisions. One is called cell covering, another is protoplasm. Now, what is cell covering? The outer membrane. The covering of the cell is called the cell covering. ये जो मेम्ब्रेन जो उसको पूरे सेल ऑर्गेनल्स को बाउंड करता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सेल कवरिंग और सेल मेम्ब्रेन. अनदर थिंग इज प्रोटोप्लाज्म. ऑल द सेल ऑर्गेनल्स इनसाइड द सेल दे आर कलेक्टिवली कॉल्ड प्रोटोप्लाज्म. जो भी सेल के अंदर होता है उसको प्रोटोप्लाज्म बोलते हैं. अब सेल कवरिंग जो है वो सेल मेम्ब्रेन भी होता है और उसके बाद सेल वॉल भी होता है. सेल मेम्ब्रेन क्या है? ये जो जैसे हम लोग सपोज करते हैं कि एक बलून है, इसमें पानी भरा हुआ है, तो वो बलून क्या है, जो आउटर स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. एंड अनदर थिंग इज सेल वॉल. सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट सेल. सेल वॉल यहाँ पर देखिए जो डार्क ग्रीन कलर है इसको सेल वॉल बोलते हैं, बिकॉज सेल वॉल इज ओनली प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट सेल एज इट गिव्स शेप टू द प्लांट सेल. इट गिव्स अ रिजिड स्ट्रक्चर. हम लोग क्या देखते हैं प्लांट में, जैसे स्टेम है, लीफ है, उसका एक अपना पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर है. लेकिन जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी होता है या एनिमल बॉडी होता है उसमें स्किन कैसा होता है, सॉफ्ट होता है. तो दे इन एनिमल दे हैव ओनली सेल मेम्ब्रेन, दे डू नॉट हैव एनी सेल वॉल. सो हियर यू कैन सी द सेल कवरिंग्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप, दैट इज सेल मेम्ब्रेन विच इज प्रेजेंट इन बोथ टाइप ऑफ सेल, एनिमल एंड प्लांट, एंड सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट ओनली इन प्लांट सेल. अनदर थिंग इज the protoplasm, the cytoplasm and nucleus. Protoplasm consists of two parts. Cytoplasm means all the liquid inside the cell, that is called cytoplasm, and this purple color nucleus, it is the brain of the cell, that is nucleus, and all the other organelles that like mitochondria, the centrosome, vacuole, Golgi bodies. So these are all the part of the cytoplasm. Protoplasm is divided into two parts, cytoplasm and nucleus. Now cytoplasm has different types of organelles like plastid, centrosome, ribosome, lysosome, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. One by one we will study about them and their functions. Now see the first thing, cell covering. All cells are bounded by a cell covering within which the protoplasm is enclosed. In both plant and animal cell, this covering is a living membrane called cell membrane. So what we have learned from this para till here, that a cell membrane is the outer covering which bound the cell and it is a living membrane. ये एक living membrane है. Plant cells have an additional covering over the cell membrane that is called cell wall, which is non-living. It means that cell wall which is present only in the plant, that is non-living, and cell membrane is living cell. Now cell membrane, this is the definition which I have marked. Cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane. In writing, while you will write the answer about the definition of cell membrane, you can cut this portion. Cell membrane is a thin, elastic, semi permeable. थिन होता है, इलास्टिसिटी होता है. जैसे हम लोग बलून का एग्जाम्पल बताएं, बलून में क्या होता है, जिसमें जितना पानी भरेंगे उतना ज़्यादा उसका इलास्टिसिटी बढ़ता जाएगा, वो फैलता जाएगा. सो इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ इलास्टिक नेचर. एंड सेमी परमिएबल because it has small pores. Why there small pores are present? Because we know that in any organ the cells are present in a continuous form. Continuous form means if it is a part of the organ of the animal, then this organ will have numerous cells and cell will be arranged in a continuous form. So all the organelles that will do their function, if suppose their mitochondria which is making ATP, so it will transfer this ATP to cell. It the nutrition, the carbon dioxide, all the enzymes, they will transfer from one cell to another cell. For this they have the porous cell membrane, or it is called semi permeable, that has small pores in it. Living membrane that surrounds the protoplasm of both plant and animal cell. So this is the definition of cell membrane. It is made up of lipoprotein and has pores in it. Now what are the functions? It gives shape to the cell, especially the animal cell. It separates the protoplasm from the surrounding medium. It also separates the cell from one another and protects them. Means the cell membrane protects the cell from one another. Now see, it is a medium of transport of material and allow only certain selected material to enter the and leave the cell. क्या बता रहा है कि जैसे कि ये कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स को ही आपस में इंटर करने देता है, यानी कि सेल मेम्ब्रेन का अपना एक पर्टिकुलर काम है. इस ऑर्गन में जितना सेल है वो क्या ट्रांसफ़र करेगा, वाटर ट्रांसफ़र करेगा या फूड ट्रांसफ़र करेगा, एंजाइम ट्रांसफ़र करेगा, तो दैट हैज़ पर्टिकुलर फंक्शंस. It acts as a selectively permeable or semi-permeable membrane. So you will mark just two functions, point number 1 and 2. And this is the structure of an animal cell. We will try to practice it in the copy. So here the different organelles are given, their structures are given. It is called the ribosome, the granules like ribosome. This is mitochondria, which forms ATP molecule, that is energy. This is plasma membrane or cell membrane. This one is centrosome, present only in animal cell. It will be not found in the plant cell. Another thing is lysosome, and this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole. So these are the organelles. Now see the next point, that is cell wall. Cell wall is a thick, rigid, non-living, freely permeable membrane present just outside the cell membrane in plant cell only. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and it has the following function. You will mark till cellulose. This is the definition of cell wall. Cell wall is a thick, rigid, non-living. थिक होता है, रिजिड होता है. जैसे स्टेम कैसा होता है, कड़ा होता है, रिजिड होता है, वैसे ही सेल वॉल जो है वो नॉन लिविंग होता है और फ्रीली परमिएबल होता है. एंड इट इज़ प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. सेल मेम्ब्रेन के बाहर होता है. देखिए यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा लाइट ग्रीन कलर का सेल मेम्ब्रेन है, उसके बाहर डार्क ग्रीन कलर का सेल वॉल है. एंड इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सेल्यूलोज. इट इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर point of this paragraph that cell wall is made up of cellulose. You have to remember this name. Now what are the function of the cell wall? It protects the cell from injury. कोई भी outer covering क्या करेगा, अपने सेल को इंजुरी से प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. Due to its thickness and rigidity, it gives a definite shape to the plant cell. So mark point number 1 and 2. Now this is the structure of the plant cell, where you can also see the mitochondria, the vacuoles. See here, this is a particular difference between plant cell and animal cell, that they have very small vacuole. This one vacuole is very small, present in the animal cell, but in plant cell you will see a large vacuole is present. See this light green color is called the vacuole. Vacuole is generally very large in size in the plant cell. And another things are same, like nucleus, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, Golgi vessels. So these are all same in between the plant and animal cell. Now third part is protoplasm. The protoplasm of cells is a living matter which is made of elements like carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and also simple compound. It is transparent and jelly-like in nature, and if it is removed from the cell, protoplasm is the main part. What is inside the cell is called the protoplasm. If it will be removed from the cell will die. It is divided into two parts. Now protoplasm का definition नहीं पढ़ना है हम लोग को पढ़ना क्या है. Protoplasm is divided into two parts, that is cytoplasm and nucleus. So first we will study about cytoplasm. The part of the protoplasm that lies between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm. Cell membrane and nuclear membrane. Here you can see in the picture, this is the nucleus, and this one, the outer covering of nucleus is called the nuclear membrane. तो nuclear membrane और cell membrane, ये दोनों के बीच में जितना भी organelle होता है, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, cytoplasm बोलते हैं. That's why it is written here, the part of protoplasm that lies between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm. So you can mark till here. This is the definition of cytoplasm. Whenever you will write a definition, you have to give the heading like this. That is given in the book. You have to first write the heading and then you will write the definition. The fluid part of the cytoplasm is called matrix, which is composed of various organic and inorganic matter dissolved in water. मानिए सेल के अंदर सिर्फ पानी नहीं होता है, उसमें बहुत तरह का ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक मैटर मिला हुआ होता है. सब मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड लिविंग पार्टिकल, सम नॉन लिविंग पार्टिकल रिमेन स्कैटर्ड इन द मैट्रिक्स ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म. स्कैटर्ड का मतलब क्या है कि सेल के अंदर पानी की तरह लिक्विड भरा हुआ होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सेल सैप, और मैट्रिक्स, उसमें बहुत सारा ऑर्गेनल्स जो है वो स्विम करता है या तैरता रहता है या स्कैटर्ड होता है, यहाँ वहाँ फैला हुआ होता है. तो दिस आर द ऑर्गेनल्स. छोटा छोटा पार्ट है उसको बोलते हैं ऑर्गेनेल्स. द लिविंग पार्टिकल आर कॉल्ड सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स while the non living are called cell inclusion. Now what cell organelles are present and what are their particular functions we will study in the next part.